How to get logged into TD Bank employee account. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Now I will show you the quick and easy process on how you can get logged into your TD Bank employee account. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video without further delay. Firstly, open any web browser on a PC and there on the URL search for TD Bank employee login, and from there you have to tap on the very first link, tdbank.ca retail brand/store employee portal, and there you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now if you're the retail branch or the store employee portal from Canada, then you can tap on this TD My Time to the left side, and if you're from the United States, you can tap on this TD My Time underneath United States. And once you tap on TD My Time, you will be directed to the login page. Now here you have to simply type in the username, and once you're done with filling your username, head over to the next field where you have to enter the password of your TD Bank account. Now once you're done with typing in your username and the password, tap on sign in button. So that's all it takes to get logged into your TD Bank account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.